Hello, I am specialized in the production of stainless steel custom home factory. This is the first step of our production, laser cutting. Laser cutting is very fast. Working 8 hours a day, it can cut 100 meters of stainless steel cabinets. One board has been cut. Automatic machine exchange workbench. Higher cutting efficiency with dual table. The cutter shall affix the special label on the finished stainless steel plate. This is the stainless steel cabinet panel that we cut according to the drawing. Okay, the first step of the stainless steel cabinet is finished. In the next issue, we will take you to see the second step of making stainless steel cabinets. Friends who want to customize stainless steel cabinets, please leave me a message. Bye bye.